morning. We are all anticipating an announcement from Kentucky Attorney General Daniel Cameron. Let me be clear. LMPD does not have any information regarding when the Attorney General will be making any announcements or what any announcement will be. We are merely taking steps we feel are necessary to protect the public, the businesses, and the property in the downtown area in advance of any decision. I do, understand that the actions we took this morning may have caused frustration and inconvenience for many in our community. We also understand that we were not able to give out the amount of notice we normally would like, but we felt these actions were necessary to protect the public. Due to the increased local and national media attention we have been seeing over the previous 24-hour period on the case, and in anticipation of the announcement, the following steps were put in place, both to protect the public and to facilitate First Amendment activities. Barricades were placed around Jefferson Square Park and the perimeter of the downtown area to ensure pedestrian safety. Vehicle access was restricted in the blocks immediately surrounding Jefferson Square Park, allowing only pedestrian access. Vehicle traffic was further restricted in the downtown area between Market Street to Broadway and from 2nd Street to Roy Wilkins. Police will, at these locations, work with people to get where they need to go who work, live, and are visiting the downtown area. This is no means intended to be a lockdown of the downtown area. We have also received some inquiries about a state of emergency I declared yesterday for the Louisville Metro Police Department. That state of emergency is specific to the Louisville Metro Police Department and allows us to take the steps we need to take to ensure we have adequate staffing for whatever the situation we encounter may be. This is separate from a separate state of emergency declared by Mayor Fisher that allowed some of the activities you are seeing to take place. Again, I understand that this has caused inconvenience for many of the public, and we just ask that people bear with us as we go through these unprecedented times, the many unknowns, both unknowns to the police and to the public, on what will transpire. Thank you.
You've got to have some sort of inclination, or did you just buy off the federal courthouse shutting down? You know, what caused it today?
There's a lot of indicators you see. I mean, there's been rumors swirling around for quite a while that something's going to happen. Just like the public, we are anticipating something happen, and we felt these steps were necessary to help protect us.
Are you guys? A question about like protesters. Have you been in touch with them, with community organizers? How much of what you guys are planning to do have they had input?
So we've had meetings with various protesters. We have a group specifically engaging with the protesters, both on the LMPD side and from the mayor's office, engaging and kind of discussing our plans, trying to work to some common understandings as we go through this. So that's been ongoing in the 100+ days of protest activity.